Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, everyone? I learned to about avometer. A for ampere, V for volt, and O for ohm. This is a avometer. This there are two probes. This is a negative. This is a black wire. This is a red wire. This wire is always connected this point. This is a common wire. This black wire always connected this point, and this wire always connected when you check AC voltage, DC voltage, ohm, continuity, resistance, and capacitor. Always this lead connect this point. These are two testing point when you check any circuit or a battery. When you check a DC volt, you select this knob. This point indicates this position. This is a volt. This shows DC volt. You select AC volt or DC volt. Here are two combine AC and DC volt. We can select mode. Now here you show DC volt. You can check when this wire connect to battery negative. This is negative wire, common wire, and this is a black positive wire. This connect to the battery positive. If you check AC voltage, always select this position and mode select this. Now work on AC. You can check these two wire same. This is a neutral wire, this is a phase wire or line wire. This is sign AC and this shows voltage. When you check a continuity or ohm of any circuit, or now we select this position. This is a mega ohm. This is a value of resistance. And this, when we select this position and mode select now mega ohm. Now I select to this show. This is a sign of diode. We can check diode. What is a diode? Diode is a one wave wall. Diode convert AC to DC. Now we press again this mode. This shows continuity. You check any wire may be break or not break. First, how check this meter are good or not good. These two, when I select to continuity mm, through this mode, they show this position, and now this is a when we check capacitor and nanofarad. This is a sign. This is a sign of Earth. Alternating current have frequency and DC have no frequency. This is a temperature. You can check. This is a centigrade. This is a Fahrenheit. When you this is a lamp in dark position. You can bright the display. When you check ampere, this is a ampere. This shows AC and up DC. This is a milliampere AC and DC. This is a microampere. Always check when ampere. This wire, this wire always connect here to here, this position. Now you can check ampere. Current always measure in series, not parallel. Voltage always measure in parallel. Current always means ampere always measure in series. This probe always here common wire. When you check ampere, this wire connect here, not here. This wire always here connected only when you check voltage, AC voltage, DC voltage, ohm, resistance and current, frequency, else. Thank you everyone.